Hello everyone, this is the second video of me telling you what I've learned yesterday. It will be a little bit of kind of series, not really. So the first video, if you didn't watch it already, I will link it in the description below. You can watch it like over here. Alright then, the next one, as you can see here, this is what I've been telling you. Okay, next one is collection. This data structure. So there are three type of data structure that we learned yesterday. Where is it? If I can find one. This is ArrayList, and then hash set, tree set, and hash map. The first one is ArrayList. ArrayList is a type of list where it is if we refer to the slide, you can see it is sequential entry ordered value with integer indexing. This is one of the key features about arrays. It has indexing that begins with 0. So the array will allow duplicates. For example, here you can see there's 2, 4 values, the same values. It will allow that, and you can since it is indexed with numbers, you can access it with any loop or iterator. You can see here, it's important. So this is how you define and create the object list, I guess, and then this is how you add something into the list. By the way, this is a list of string as I defined it here. You can use something else, for example integer is valid, but I have to change everything else to integer because this is string. It doesn't work, and that's not like string. So list, when you type list.add, you can add something inside the list. It will add sequentially according to the list. So for example, now I have 1 2 3 4 5, so that's like 1 2 3 4, this is 4, so that's duplicates, but it still runs perfectly. So if I comment out everything else, you can see it. Why is it? I guess it shouldn't be connected. I think that's better, right? Yes, that's better. So I'm just gonna minimize it again. Alright, so you can see before there's 1 2 3 4 5, and the size is list.size. You can get it from list.size. This is 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, but this 5 value is indexed at 0, index number 5. Okay. Because the value 1, first one is 0. It starts with at 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. Even though there's 6 elements, the last one is index 5. So you can use this feature, I guess, where you can specify which index you want to add. So for example, you want to add the word 6 at the 4th position, which is index 3. So if you add 6 and then print it, you can see 1 2 3 4. So it's 0 1 2 3. 3, number 3, index 3, it is replaced with 6. So 4 4 and 5 we just move to the next accordingly. That's adding into specific index. Now list.remove, it is, as the name says, is remove. So it remove at the 5th position, index 4. So as you can see, if I didn't add 6 this, so the first one, there's 1 2 3 4 4 5. After remove 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So there's one of the 4 is has been removed. Which one? It is at the 4th. position, at the fifth position. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is getting removed. Alright, what else do we learn? Size, same thing. Iterator. Alright, this iterator is it iterates the list. It will go through to every list, which is the iterator is string, and this is the list.iterator. So this gets the iterating. So while the iterator has next, string A will this will get the next value, and if the A is equal to 3 or equal to 4, the iterator will remove it. So if I print this this one, so before there's 1 2 3 4 5, and after that, after the iterator stuff, you can see there's 1 2 6 and 5. You add 6, you remove 4. If you remember, there's no 3 and 4, right? There's no 3 and 4 because you just remove them. That's the use of iterator, I guess. And then this is contains. If one item, oh my god. This is how it works. I'm sorry. Right. So contains will return a true or false statement if there's a 4 or 5. There's exactly something. So if you can see, this is the current list. There's no 4, so false, and there is 5. Is 5 here, so it is true. It is a case sensitive, by the way. So if I change the alphabet F inside 5 into lowercase, it will give me false because it is case sensitive. This one will just give out the index of whatever you want to find. If I only want to find 4, but there's no 4 here, so you give some value. If you want to find the index of 5, you give some value. So if I run this, you can see this is -1 because there's no 4 inside the list. We just give it a -1 value. Since there is 5 at the fourth position, which is the 3 index of 3, so we just print the 3. Then this again add to I'm trying to remember. So it adds to it print the index of 2, just the first index. There, this is 2, so it is at index 1, so that's the one. The last index of 2, I think, because yeah, after we add another 2, just print this to added. So if you can see, this is after the 2 is added, this one, so let's run, and this is the new list 1 2 6 5 2. So the index of 2 is the first that it could found, it can find, I think. And then if the last index of 2 is, if there's any duplicate, and the last one. So for example, if I add 2 to this, add example 3 here, 3, and then I add 2 again, it's supposed to give the last one, right? Yes, the last one. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will give the last index of the 2. So it's like searching from the last up. It's hard to remember. Collection sort. Alright, So I should collection sort. This is sorting. This is how you sort the list. ArrayList is a part of collection, so you can just use collection.sort and you just pass the list that you want to sort. So I'm gonna get it clearer. So this is after the 2 is at the 1, 2, 6, 5, 2. So after sort, it will be sorted according in alphabetical order, since this is a data type of string. So if you want to sort it within a reverse, we have to do like this. Okay. I'm going to use a collection of sort operator. I don't know how to explain this, but essentially just compare the first, just since this sort function is used to sort from to ascending order. If we sort the sorted list by doing it on a reverse, like just compare it differently, since then it will get the reverse sorting. It will have a descending order. So I'm just gonna show it to you. I don't know how it works actually. I don't know how to explain how it works, but essentially just so this is the first sort. It's alphabetical order, so F then O S T. This is the reverse of the sort, because it is reversed. And then I'm just gonna comment everything out. And this is nothing else. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I am so sorry. Excuse me. So this is essentially how you get the index of 6, which is then passed variables, and then this is the same thing as the first as this one. This, and then print. This is how you replace. This is how you replace the stuff. Oh, wait. I have to replace. I remember now. This is how you replace. So this after 2 is added. Oh my god, there's no 6. Oh yeah, there is 6. So you can see after 2 is added, there's 6 here. So if you want to replace this 6 with something else, which is 10, you first have to get the index of 6 and then pass it into this, and then just set. Oh, this set, not add. Alright, set whatever index you want to replace, and then just give it the different value. That's how it works. So if say I'm just gonna type 4 for that. So 6 we still have, because 6 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 is previously is 2, now it's 10 because I set it differently. I replace it. So this is how you replace. And then the last one is just the list empty. It is pretty boring, to be honest. It is useful, but it's pretty direct. So this is essentially what it did. It just create another list and didn't add anything. So this list 2 is empty, and it will return true or false. If the first list Here it's empty, if written false, if there's anything else, if there's anything at all. As you can see, not surprising.